Bill Paxton's family has reached a partial settlement with an anesthesiologist medical group in the wrongful death/negligence suit they filed following the actor's death in 2017. According to court papers submitted on Wednesday with the Los Angeles Superior Court, attorneys for co-defendants General Anesthesia Specialists Partnership are seeking approval of a settlement of $1 million between Paxton's family and the company. The agency was involved in Paxton's heart surgery that occurred at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles less than 2 weeks before his death on February 25, 2017, at the age of 61. While General Anesthesia denied any direct responsibility in Paxton's death, documents showed that the intent of the settlement was to reach an agreement that would reasonably compensate plaintiffs and avoid exposing defendant to an expensive and time-consuming litigation. The filing says the settlement is contingent on the court's finding it was made in good faith, NBC News reports. Trial of the remainder of the 2018 lawsuit filed by the actor's widow Louise Paxton and their children, James and Lydia Paxton, is scheduled for September 19, according to Deadline. The other defendants named in the suit are Cedars-Sinai Medical Center and Dr. Ali Koinazad, a cardiothoracic surgeon employed by Cedars-Sinai who the Paxton family alleges provided the actor with negligent diagnosis, management, and treatment, leading to the complications that resulted in his untimely death. According to court documents first obtained by the Fort Worth Star-Telegram, the family claimed Cedars-Sinai misrepresented and/or concealed information relating to the risks of surgery and care that would be provided and/or failed to adequately explain the proposed treatment or procedure. The family is also claiming that the hospital failed to disclose that Dr. Koinazad was going to use a high-risk and unconventional surgical approach with which he lacked experience and which was, based upon information and belief, beyond the scope of his privileges. Furthermore, they allege that Dr. Koinazad was not in the hospital when Paxton began suffering the complications and failed to arrange for continuous care and coverage for the actor while he was away. This, the lawsuit alleges, caused a delay in treatment resulting in damage. As a result of the hospital and surgeon's alleged negligence, Paxton had to undergo a series of procedures that ultimately led to his death 10 days later, according to the documents. Bill Paxton and his family trusted the physicians and staff at this medical facility, but instead Cedars-Sinai betrayed their trust, said the family's attorney Bruce Browilet in a statement at the time. The surgeon's actions resulted in this tragic and preventable death. Browilet, as well as press contacts for Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, could not be immediately reached by people for comment on Thursday.